everybody. My name is Laura Hunter. I am the CEO of Tori Belle Cosmetics and the inventor of magnetic eyeliner. Welcome to Tori Belle. So I know that there are a lot of other companies that don't allow people to sell for companies that also sell cosmetics or similar products in general. Well, since we are the inventors of magnetic eyeliner, we know that if you're here to sell magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner, that we're the only one. At least we should be. So we have come up with a magnetics only kit to make sure that you guys can come and sell for Tori Belle along with whatever other company that you're working with. So let me unbox it for you. Okay, I'm gonna warn you, I'm not the best unboxer. Here we go. This is our starter kit. Opens like this. And you get fluffy stuff. It's very pretty. So we're gonna take this out. That's fun stuff for your kids to play with if you have children. They love it. Okay, so what we get, you get 2 pairs of lashes. The first is our Nature Bunny lash, and this is one of our original lashes. Then you also get our illusion lashes. Here we go. You get 2 pairs of illusion lashes, and those are called Mystics. There's our magnetic mascara for our illusion lashes, and our magnetic eyeliner, and that is for our regular lashes. And then you also get a lash applicator just to make it easier. One of the features of our lashes is that they have anchors. Anchors are these little guys at the bottom. And so the lash applicators, they might be handy for putting on your lashes, but they're also super handy for putting on your anchors. So you get 10 anchors in your kit also. I hope you love Tori Belle. I know you will. Welcome aboard.